You know, a lot of people will tell you preservatives are bad for you, but in my opinion, that just means I'm going to last forever. Hey everybody, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe will be mini cheesecakes. I really love this recipe because it's super little and it's a nice treat to have in the house when you want something sweet but you don't want to overindulge. Another thing about it is that it's very customizable because you can change the toppings that you put on top of it. I'm very excited to share this with you guys today. It's super easy to make and I can't wait for you guys to try it. Okay guys, to make the mini cheesecakes you will need a muffin pan liners, a sleeve of graham crackers, sugar, pure vanilla extract, 2 eggs at room temperature, 2 packs of cheese cream at room temperature as well, a stick of butter at room temperature, and optional is cherry filling in case you want to put a little cherry on top of your cheesecake. Okay, so to start off making our graham cracker crust, we have to get our graham crackers and create a crust. So I'm going to kind of cut up the graham crackers and put them in the blender. We're just going to blend them. So like that. They're fine. Alright, let's add some more. I don't know what this hole's for, but I'm going to use it. No, that's a bad idea. Okay, so then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to do heaping ones because who doesn't love sugar? And these are half tablespoons, so I have to do 6. The moral of the story is cheesecake is just sugar. And the next step is to add our 3 teaspoons of melted butter. And then you want to mix that all together to create a crust. Okay, so now I have my lovely muffin pan with liners in it. Okay, so you want to go ahead and put about a tablespoon of graham cracker crust in each of them, in each of the muffin slots. And then you want to go back and compact them. So I'm going to fill them up all first, then I'm going to go in and make them nice and compacted. So you want to go ahead and compact them with a flat surface. I cleaned the end of my cinnamon spice and I'm just gonna compact that at the bottom. Okay guys, now we're gonna get our 2 packs of very soft room temperature cream cheese. And when it comes to cheesecake, it's very important that everything is soft for 2 reasons. A, because you're needed to have that consistency, and B, it will make your life a million times easier to whip it, because you're not going to be able to stir tough cream cheese. Like, there is no moving hardened cream cheese. Like, now we're going to do a half a cup of sugar, because the truth is cream cheese is just fats and sugar. I did a little bit over half a cup. Our 2 eggs. And last, but definitely not least, half a teaspoon of good old vanilla extract. And did anybody know how expensive vanilla extract is? $5, which I'm cheap and I'm broke. This is a lot. I mean, $5 for this little thing. That's definitely pricey. All right, have a teaspoon there, and now we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, now that I have the perfect creamy consistency, I'm gonna put a big old spoonful inside the muffin pans, and then we're gonna bake them at 350 for 15 minutes. Okay guys, now it is time for the taste test. I went ahead and put the cherry pie filling on top. And you don't have to do this to all of them because maybe you're just the type of person that likes strawberry filling. You can put that, or if you just like regular cheesecake with nothing on top, you can just leave it by itself. And as you can see down below, we have that nice crust. And now it is time to taste. Okay guys, overall, I love this recipe because I love how it's a dessert that you can have one or two of it, but it's not like a big old piece of cheesecake that you're committed to. As well as I think cheesecake is a lot less intimidating to make when you make it in smaller batches, because baking a whole entire cheesecake, there's so much room for cracking if you bake a whole pie. Well, when you make little ones, you know, you can also change the toppings and you don't have to be so scared to bake it because you know it's not gonna crack. It's a smaller portion. And I absolutely love this. I think this is a great recipe to have just if you want to make something or you're going somewhere. I mean, who doesn't love a good cheesecake? I mean, literally there's a restaurant named after the Cheesecake Factory. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and as always, leave any comments down below. See you guys next time. Bye.